Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mercy if you are tuning in for the first time. So in this video I'll be showing us how to make Nigerian stew. We can use the stew for rice, to eat rice. You can use it to eat yam, boiled potato, or whatever you deem fit. These are the ingredients I'll be using. Nothing much. I have my curry and thyme also, just my seasoning, my salt, my blended and boiled tomato paste, some chicken and onion. So these are the things I'll be using to make the stew. If you want to see how this will turn out, kindly keep watching, and while you're watching, kindly give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Right about now, I'll be adding my oil into this pot. This is actually the oil I used to fry my chicken. Then I'll leave this to get heated. So my oil is all heated. One thing I like to do first is to fry my thyme and curry. I don't know if there's any other person that likes to do that, but that is what I like to do. I have found out over time that it gives the stew a distinct taste. That's what I believe anyway. So I'm just going to go in and pour in this thyme. Then I'm going to go in with my curry powder, and I'm going to leave this to fry for some seconds, not really a lot of time, just for some seconds. Then I'm going to stir. I'm stirring with a turning stick because I have seen over time that it prevents the stew from running underneath. I'm going to go in and add my onion. To this, then I'll add my garlic. I'll add in some garlic and ginger. Then I'll stir. I do not add processed tomato paste to my stew. I don't like it. So the only thing I do is I add in my already blended and boiled tomato paste. This contains tomato, pepper and tatashe. I'm going to put them in just like that. So guys, the stew has been frying for like 20 minutes. I've added my seasoning and salt. I'm just going to go in and I want to put in my chicken gently so it doesn't splash. Our stew is almost ready. See this gorgeousness. Oh my god. This looks so good. So good. And tastes superb too. So tell me what you'll be having with this stew. Will you be having rice, boiled plantain, fried chips, white rice, whatever? Just let me know what you'll be having with this stew.